All right, well, good morning. Let's go take a look around and see what we got with this lovely thing. We've got quite a bit of trash everywhere. Fence is ripped down. Let's see what we got back here. Oh, wow. I don't even know where to start. Looks like we didn't throw anything away. We just pile it out here in the backyard. Holy crap. Look at this mess. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess the water's not going to work anymore. And we got a bunch of trash in here. Wires are cut on the light up there. No idea what the heck this is, just a mess. Wires are cut there. What a disaster. We got a half bath out here, a toilet, and a shower. And it looks like the local crackheads have been here. Every wire is cut. Holy shit. Destroy an entire house for what, $30 worth of wire? Oh my god. There's even broken cut off pipes. Oh, good god. Alright. So much trash. Hope somebody's not sleeping on this. Wow. Look at that. They ripped the aluminum to cut the wires out. What a crackhead piece of shit. Wow. There's the cover for the well, for the pressure switch. Well, who needs a water heater? Just need the... They even left brass on there, but took the tiny little bit of wire. Oh, well, guess we don't need air conditioning here either. Wow. Alright, let's go take a look inside and see what we got. This should be fun. I'm guessing there's no power. Well, power's on. That's probably not a good thing. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look. Pulling wires out of the ceilings. Oh, I'm guessing they were staying in here. Wow. Hello? Look at that. Every wire is cut on the panel. Every one of them. Another water heater. More trash back there. Hello? Who's that? Okay. Cleaning crew is here. I'm doing a video. And, oh look, they ripped all the wire out of the ceiling there too. For some reason, we're ripping up the floors. Wow. Broken glass window. Light bulbs. Looks like we got us a crackhead at large here ripping copper out of walls. Ripped that whole thing down. Didn't take that wire, but take the wire out of the ceiling. Oh my God. What a mess. So yeah, this is kind of what I deal with. This is definitely on the worst end of it. Wow. Hey guys. How are ya? So yeah, we're gonna get this cleaned up. Not sure why, but we are. Should be interesting.